came out today, get a little fishing in, maybe drop on some crappie if we see them on brush piles. We got Lorelei with us. Lorelei, wanna come say hey? That's my bass dog. She's been MIA. She had an ear infection and stuff, so she had to get cream in her ears 2 times. So she couldn't come fishing for a month. So, but she's back. We got some stuff to put in her ears after she goes swimming, because she's all about the water. But we're gonna try it out a little bit today. I appreciate all you guys watching. We're having a lot of fun with this YouTube channel, so we're gonna keep it going. Hopefully get on some big ones today. We shall see. Y'all stay tuned. Appreciate you. Got him. Get it. There's another one. There's another one. No, ma'am. That one's a little better. Excuse me. That's 2 crappie. Found me a little brush pile here last time bass fishing, so figured I'd come back and try it. There's crappie on it. Be nice to get enough to clean. There's some tacos. Seems like they're liking it just about 6 foot down. This here is Bobby Garland electric chicken with a 1/32 ounce jig head sickle hook. Got another one. Got another one. That's what I'm talking about. I'll get right back in there. I don't want to get on top of them though. Let's back up a little bit. I just ruined them. Ruined that spot. Well, what we'll do, we'll throw it back. Leave them alone for a second. See if they come back. Leave them alone. There's another pile over here somewhere that I seen. I think there's one right out here and then one down there closer to that dock. Just drift over these crappie. Just lower it down to them. They're real skittish, and if you go too low, go through them, they're not gonna bite. They feed up. So try to stay above them. Well, that's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good crappie. Oh, I should have just boat flipped him. 11 inches. 11 inches, that's a good one. See if we can't get some more of those. That's what I'm talking about. Alright. Oh, I had another one. Missed him. Dang. Well, they want this electric chicken. Let's stay back in there and get him. I'm tangled. Come on. Let's see. Oh no. Come on, Brian. What are you doing? Here we go. Here we go. These over here feel a little better. A little bigger, perhaps. First three or four, the first three that I kept were barely. Got them. Oh my gosh. Got off again. Take it. Whew. I don't know how many that is. Oh, dude, it's too small. Too small. So I've thrown 2 back. And I got 1, 2, 3. Alright, so that's 5. Let's go. Let's go. Crappie are so much fun. I do need to loosen my drag a little bit. There we go. A little deeper. There it is. Oh my gosh. Right there. He popped it. Missed him. Wish I had my kids with me. They would love this. Makes you feel like Richard Jean. If y'all don't know who Richard Jean the Fish Machine is, y'all need to look him up on YouTube. Great guy. Fishes Lake Guntersville, Tennessee River. Got him. That's another keeper. That's another one. Boom, baby. Back up. That's a good one. Look at that beautiful, beautiful fish. Let's see how long. He might be bigger than the other one. Yeah, about the same. About the same. So that's 5 in there. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, baby girl. So, my battery died. I had a spot battery. For some reason, my battery pack came unplugged and let my battery and the GoPro go dead. So, we got it situated. But I was sitting here working on it, and I had my bait just sitting in the water like this. And another crappie came up. About a 10.5 incher came up and snagged it. So I caught another one while, unfortunately, y'all were away. So we're gonna keep getting on them. This is fun. I had to take a little break. I had them fired up. It was nice. They were feeding. But I might have to circle back around. That's what we'll do. We'll back up a little bit. Circle back around. Got him. Another one. Got another one. This is so much fun. That one might be a little too small. I don't know. Whew. We'll see. Put them on the scale. Golly, these things are fun. Old paper mouse. Some people call them specks. We call them crappie. There we go. Let's weigh. What you think about that one? Huh? What you think about that one, baby girl? I usually go to Tensall River. You know, about an hour away to go crappie fishing. That's where I crappie fish growing up. My plan to go up way back in that river and bass fish, I think we changed plans, because as long as these jokers are biting, I'm gonna sit here and catch some. It'll be a nice dinner one night. Have some crappie tacos. Wish my battery wouldn't have went dead, because I had them fired up. Here you go. Sit. Easy. 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 Good girl. Good girl. What are you doing? This is daddy. Yeah. I'll do you, John. Go. Good girl. So, we went and caught them. Caught like 12 keepers, following them on brush piles, and then went about an hour without a bite. I'm skipping under this dock, and I've caught one every cast so far. So we're gonna see if we can't get a couple for y'all on live. There we go, we're under there. Got them. Every cast right now. They were small at first. This one's kind of small, but I mean, whew, we're getting it. It's gonna be some good tacos. I'm gonna throw him in a live well. We got on some crappie, so found him skipping under this dock. Got him. Another one. Just every cast. That's a baby though. Ooh yeah. That one might be they gotta be 9 inches is the minimum. 9-inch minimum. That's the little guy. Throw him back. We probably got like 15 or 16 keepers. Got him. Got him. Oh my gosh, that's a good one. Whew, whew, whew. This is a really good one for this river. That's crazy. I've caught like 3 others this size. I've never seen crappie come this big out of this river. Crazy. Wonder if they've been here the whole time. That's a good one. That's gonna be a good taco. That one I had to let it fall a little more to get that bite. I wish I had my kids out here, because they would love this. Bam! Got another one, missed him. My kids would absolutely love this, because you're getting bit every cast. There we go, there's a bite. He didn't get it. Got him. Here you go. Here's one. Don't feel too big. Oh, watch out, baby girl. There we go. Never mind, that's a good taco. Look at there. Oh my gosh. So my first 2 throws under here, I caught little pipsqueaks. I caught like 7-inch crappie. They gotta be 9 inches to keep. But every one I've caught now is just bam. Slab, son. Slab, stick. Boom, there's one right there. She gets mad when I go without her. And I had to. For the last month, she hasn't been able to go because she had an ear infection. So hey, don't bite the crappie. You want to eat it now? And kiss it? She had ear infections, so she had medicine in her ear. She couldn't get wet. She loves to jump in the water. We'll throw this one in the live well. Got another one. Got another one. This is a blast. That one's not going to keep, I don't think. This is a blast right here. That was long. But I don't need to keep these smaller ones. We're on the big ones. Let's see. Y'all throw that one back. Mine, I would definitely appreciate it if you go and subscribe to Bass and B TV. So I do one video a week. Usually I'm trying to get to where I can do 2 a week, but kids with baseball practice in the evening and work, it's hard to have enough time to edit. See if we can't pull one out. Let's see. There he goes. Got him. Got another one. That's a baby. Oh, quick release. That was a little one anyways. Should get one there. That's a good one. Oh, that's another little one. Darn it, I might have got through. Oh no, that's a keeper. That's a keeper. That's a keeper. That's a good one. If anybody don't know crappie, they call them paper mouse. That's why. Super thin mouths. So I got the drag set on this pretty good so I don't rip their mouth and lose them. That's a big one right there. 7, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, we're good. Nowhere near 30. I've been catching them, having so much fun. I was unsure. Got the old board out, bump board, because they got to be at least 9 inches. I've thrown a bunch back. I've probably thrown like 8 back that were not 9 inches. I appreciate you guys watching. If y'all like it, do me a favor, go to the channel, like some videos, subscribe. If you're not, I appreciate it. Like I said, we might have to, uh-oh, there's a little bite. Little bite. He didn't take it. They're like, oh, there he is. See, it's a little one. Yep, he came off. And they're barely getting it, those little ones. Just bumping it. I don't know why the big ones, if we're out of big ones, or what? Or if I need to go further down, let it drop further down for the big ones. Missed another bite. I think it might just be little ones. See, he hit it. I got that one. That little joker. Yep. See, these are the ones that are down there now. The little tiny ones. So, you okay, baby girl? Little tiny ones. So we're gonna pull the poles up, and we're gonna go around to the other side. There's a bunch of them. They're all at like 6 and 7 foot. That's where they've been all day for some reason. 6 or 7 foot. So I've been reeling at like 4 or 5 feet, or vertical jigging at about 5 feet, just right above them. That's where you want to be. Oh, getting a bite. Take it. Got one. This one feels a little better. Oh yeah. A little better. Get it, Lorelei. Yeah, that's a little better. That's a keeper. There we go. We're back on them. Back on them, boys. Back on them. Woo! Woo! Yes, sir. Back on them. I add that one to the live well. I think that's number 14. Appreciate y'all watching, man, hanging out.